How to remove camera roll access from Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can revoke Snapchat's access to your device camera roll on both iOS and Android, enhancing your privacy and controlling which photos appear within the application. So let's get started. If you're using Android, all you need to do is simply long press on Snapchat and click on app info. But if you're using iOS, you're going to head over to settings and then you're going to scroll down, click on applications, and here you're going to search for Snapchat. So once you find Snapchat, you're going to simply head over and click on Snapchat, and here you'll be able to see option of camera. So you can see that it is toggled on. All you need to do is simply disallow this permission or simply toggle it off. And now Snapchat has successfully removed the access of camera roll. So that was basically how you can remove camera roll access from Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.